to CCAR channel. My name is Sann Sann. Malaysia is a country that often rain, so it's very dangerous if your wiper unfunction, especially having a heavy rain. If your wiper unfunction, you can take your car and call the mechanic to help you to change it. But you can save money by doing yourself because it is easy like an ABC. So today, let me teach you how to change wiper. Let's get started. Step 1. Measure the size of the wiper. Don't assume that left and right of the wiper take the same side. Usually, one side is longer than the other. Step 2. Raise the wiper. Be careful with the position. You may put a piece of cloth because the wiper arm is spring-loaded. It may snap back and crack your windscreen. Step 3. Unhook the old wiper blades. Look at the joint where the wiper blades meet the metal arm. Here is the plastic stopper. Press the plastic stopper and unhook the stopper separately with the metal arm. Make sure you hold the wiper during the entire process. Here is my new wiper. Let's reinstall it. Slide the nail at the end of the metal arm. Make sure the position is correct. Push the new wiper and close the button, then it's done. Repeat the same step with the second wiper. Just make sure you use the correct line of the wiper. If you find this video helpful, don't forget like and subscribe our CCAR Malaysia YouTube channel. See you next time!